Hey guys, good morning. Yeah, I just checked out from this hostel. This is Canberra City YHA. Yeah, I got this for $39 per one night stay. That is enough. It is very cold here at the moment. Maybe 10 degrees. I'm not sure. It is smoking cold. Oh, they are closed. I was supposed to eat lugo, but they are closed. We go inside. Yeah, they also have a shopping mall here, and it's pretty big compared to the one in the Sydney CBD. And it's beautiful here. It looks like a luxurious shopping mall. But we are not going to focus here. We're going to focus outside. Yeah, and now we're going to explore this place. Look at that, there are no leaves. Where are the leaves? Yeah, in here, dry leaves everywhere. Yeah, without leaves it's not good. No life. I don't know why they choose this kind of trees to be here in the city. It looks sad without leaves. Let's get closer to the trees. Yeah, it's really bothering me that there is no leaves in these trees. All these trees, mate, look at that. Yeah, it is bothering me so much because it doesn't look good without leaves. Maybe it's very good during summer or during spring or any other season, but winter, I must say no. Okay, let's try to discover what is in here. This is the Canberra Theatre Center. It's a bridge. Oh yeah, it's a bridge, mate. Oh wow. This is a park, and then there is like a water fountain. Okay, we will go there. Okay, it is better that in some parts there are trees that are like this. Yeah, this kind of trees, they are strong. This place that you are seeing is the Parliament area of Government of Australia. Yeah, if you don't know, Canberra is the capital of Australia. Not Sydney, not Melbourne, not Brisbane, not Gold Coast, but Canberra. I don't know, but I've seen on Wikipedia that it was a compromise between the two big cities, Melbourne and Sydney. So they decided to make Canberra as the capital. Yesterday, I traveled coming from Nelson Bay to Sydney, 3.5 hours by Port Stephen coaches. And then I just checked in the central station which bus is going to Canberra. And yeah, I decided to take the Moray bus. And the travel time is 3.5 hours. The good thing about the Moray bus is that it leaves every hour, and it was amazing. I don't know, maybe because it is my first time to travel coming from Sydney to here, because I really like the view outside from the bus. The view from the bus is really nice because you see the hill area, the flat area of the land. With us, you see the green grass, you see the animals, you see the shape of the land. It was amazing. Yeah, the colors of the trees, nice. Coming from Sydney to here, it was amazing because you know, just when you get out of the airport tunnel of the Sydney International Airport tunnel, all the way to Canberra is an expressway. I mean, no traffic light, no crossing, so the cars will go and run past all the way here. No traffic. It was amazing. I really like that. So yeah, it was good. And along the way, you're going to see the flatlands with the just houses, some trees, and you see some animals. I've seen kangaroos along the way. I've seen cows along the way. I've seen horses along the way. Yeah, I've seen a lot of animals along the way. Look at that. I put my camera here. I hope it's not going to fall down. So at the moment I'm just checking if I forgot something or what. Yeah, so now we're going to walk around the area. So at the moment, at the moment I'm walking here in the, it's like a bushland. Yeah, it's still near to the city center. Yeah, we are now at the Weston Park. You know, this one is with enclosure. Yeah, for the dogs and other pet. But no, basically for the dog. Because you know, in this area, if I'm not mistaken, I heard in one of the YouTube channel that there are some poison they are putting around to, you know, to control the pests, like unwanted kangaroo, unwanted rat, unwanted cat, unwanted, yeah, the animal that they consider pests. Look, I can see kangaroo. Yeah, there are kangaroos in there. We try to be closer on that side. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, I can see. These kangaroos are afraid to human, so they are afraid to people, so maybe they will run when they see me. Yeah, compared to those kangaroos in Morisset, I've been to Morisset. Yeah, can you see that? Those kangaroo. Yeah. Nice. I think that's it, and we're going back now. So if you happen to be in Canberra, all you need to do is to come here in the Weston Park, and you're going to see, yeah, some of those kangaroos. Yeah, Weston Park is very near to Parliament area, in the same area of the Parliament. Because you know, when I was coming here in Canberra, I was listening to a podcast of OC language. Yeah, this guy, and he mentioned that there are some kangaroo and within the Canberra city. From time to time, you're going to see different kinds of birds. There is a residential area in this area of Parliament, and I'm actually going to the grocery. Yeah, at the moment I am here now in the same way that I go through going to the Weston Park, and it's very dark already. The time maybe is around 6:30. Yeah, from time to time there are some bikers that are passing by, and yeah, some joggers also. Yeah, and the lights is just like this. So if you see this light, just like this, and not very common. Look at the other side, it's very far already. Yeah, and you know, along the way I've seen some kangaroo, and then when they see me coming, they are running away. Yeah, I heard something scary on that side. It's like an animal that is trying to attack me. The sounds like this. Yeah, sounds like that. I was scared. So what I did is that I opened the flashlight of my phone and focused it to that area. Wow, that was scary. That may be an animal, I don't know. A lion, a tiger. I was scared. Yeah, now here is good because in here there are many lights now. Look, yeah, there is one kangaroo, no, two kangaroo. I don't know that you can see. For sure it is going to run because there is also one person there. Oh, not just one, not just two. There are many. Wow. Good evening. Wow, there's a nice. Yeah, I don't know if you can see, but this is here, and there are some more on that side. Look at that. There are kangaroo there. Okay, now I can see the city. Yeah. Maybe another 30 minutes more walking and I'll be at the hotel.